Forgotten username recovery failed on Marcus by Goldman Sachs Fix. You try to sign into your Marcus account, tap forgot username, and suddenly you're stuck. No recovery email, no confirmation, nothing. Most people assume the system is broken, but here's the truth. Marcus usernames are linked directly to your verified email, and recovery issues usually come from one small mistake using the wrong email or phone number. Here's how to fix it fast. Step 1. Open your email app and search for messages from Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Look for subjects like Welcome to Marcus or Account Update. The email that received those messages is the one you used to create your account. That's your main login contact. Next, go to the Marcus login page and choose Forgot Password. Enter that same email address. You'll receive a link to reset your password and restore access to your account. Once reset, use that email to log in. No username needed. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folders. Also, make sure your inbox isn't filtering messages from Marcus. Some email providers block automated ban messages by default. If you're still not getting recovery messages, it's time to contact Marcus customer support. You can reach them at 1-855-737,283. Have your full name, birth date, and the last 4 digits of your linked bank account ready for verification. In rare cases, your Marcus account might be locked due to multiple failed login attempts. If that's the case, support can unlock it safely once your identity is confirmed. So, the next time your username recovery fails on Marcus, remember it's not a bug. You just need to use the right registered email and reset your password. Once that's done, you'll be able to access your account securely and without delay.